All right, Lindsay has her hand up. Let me allow you to talk. Lindsay, what's your question? Looks like you're
Oh,
muted. There you
can you
are.
hear me?
I
Okay,
can.
great. Yeah, so one of my big ideas that I took action on is I created 2 workshops that I want to do. I have it on my website so people can buy tickets through there. I ran a Facebook ad locally. I got little flyers made. I emailed it out to past and current clients. I did a lot of things around this, but one of them is next Friday, and I only have 1 person signed up. It's a small workshop. It's only for 10 people max, but I only have 1 person signed up. So I'm just nervous if I only have 1 or 2 people signed up. Do you think I should reschedule the workshop, or should I do more promotional stuff between now and then? And if so, what do you think I should be doing to get the word out there?
Yeah. How much does it cost?
It's $85.
And if I was your ideal client, how would you describe the value of spending $85 and that time to hang out with you?
I marketed it for young women, like in their 20s to early 30s, and it's a vision board party with wine. So I marketed it towards socializing, meeting other young women in the neighborhood, bonding, and goal setting, and really understanding how to set concrete, small, achievable goals, and really getting a lot of traction on what you want out of your life right now.
Yeah. And do you hope that that becomes something kind of longer ongoing?
Yes, definitely. My other workshop is related to that I'm running at the end of June. I don't have anyone signed up for that one either. So that's
Okay.
definitely my market. And most of my clients are like 25 to 35 with those very same issues. So I really developed it out of a need that I saw among my
Sure.
clients.
And tell me about what your actual costs are to put on the event. Not your time, but just like rental space, wine costs, vision board
Yeah.
supplies.
So I did all the math, basically of how much I charge my clients per hour, and it would be well worth my cost. I forget all the numbers, but I spent a long time writing it all out. If
Like,
I
do you
had
know off the
like,
top of your head how much the rent is or how much you'll probably spend on wine?
yeah, the rent for the space, it's only a 2.5 hour event, and the rent is $125 for the
Okay.
space that's rented.
Okay. I would say um, the 1 person that signed up, maybe let them know we only have you who has signed up. So I'd like to also give you access to our June one as well. And this one I'll just waive the cost of, and I'm going to open this up for free just to get some more interest. I would say it's probably more worth it to eat the cost right now just to get more of an audience and more of a buzz
Okay.
than to make the money right now. So kind of a typical mistake people make is they'll create something that costs money, but they don't have an audience. And so I'd say in general for these kind of things, I'd start with it being free or super low cost, like it barely covers the cost of the wine, so like $10 a person. But then from there,
Okay.
that's kind of a gateway into, okay, and I'm going to be doing this 3-part thing. So then it's like, June, late July, late August, we're going to be doing it on the 4th Friday of the month. And, the cost for that's going to be, $85 for all 3 if you sign up now. Otherwise, it's going to be, $150, for all 3, after July 1st. And so then
Okay.
you kind of start to build an audience. And the other side is that if you get 10 of these women that are your ideal client that are brand new and come for this free event, and you put it out onto, Meetup, and you put it out, into other places where people are looking for things to do in the community calendar, then they're more likely to come and work with you when they have an issue going on. As long as you're careful about kind of that blending of roles, like this has the potential of kind of being like a friend socialization group too. So I would just be very careful about, if someone decides to work with you, that I'd kind of keep it more that you're the professional, and like if they all go out afterwards, that you kind of say probably not, or you just want to be careful about that side of it.
Right. Okay, great. Thank you.
Yeah, great job taking action.